Welcome to What is Series of the Accurate One? In this session, we're going to break down two key ways we interact with our computers: the Graphical User Interface, GUI, and the Command Line Interface, CLI. By the end, you'll understand how each one works, why they matter, and how to harness them like a pro. Let's jump right in. We talk to our computers through interfaces, basically translators between your thoughts and the machine's language. Ever wonder why old-school computers look like something from a sci-fi movie, flashing weird symbols and codes? Back then, users had to rely on stacks of punch cards just to get their machines to do something simple. Thankfully, we've evolved beyond that, so now we can choose between visually clicking on icons or typing out commands. It's like we finally learned to speak our computer's language more naturally. A GUI, or Graphical User Interface, is the visual layer that we all know and love. Think about your desktop, your smartphone's home screen, or even the menu on a smart TV. These are GUIs, colorful buttons, icons, menus, and windows you can click or tap. They make technology feel natural, as if we're just pointing at and grabbing what we want. The first widely used GUI came with the Apple Macintosh in 1984. It was revolutionary at the time. Suddenly, regular people could use computers without memorizing commands. The CLI, or Command Line Interface, is what you might picture when you think of a hacker in old movies: a black screen with white text and a blinking cursor. Instead of clicking, you type specific instructions. While it may look old school, the CLI is incredibly powerful and efficient. It's like talking directly to the computer in its native language. The CLI is still the backbone of servers, cloud systems, and even some developer tools that keep the internet running around the clock. As a programmer, using the CLI can make you more productive. Need to create a new project folder, download code, or run tests automatically? The CLI does these things lightning fast. You don't waste time clicking through multiple menus. Plus, many programming tools and frameworks are designed to work seamlessly with command line commands, giving you a direct line to advanced features. You start off with a few simple commands: CD to move between folders, LS or DIR to list what's inside them, and MKDIR or MD to create new directories. Whether you're on Mac OS or Linux using Terminal, on Windows using Command Prompt, CMD or PowerShell, the idea is the same. Type the right command, press Enter, and watch it happen. Over time, you'll learn handy shortcuts, pipe commands together, and run scripts that handle complex tasks automatically. Soon enough, this becomes second nature. You'll find yourself managing version control with Git, querying databases, or even spinning up entire applications, all through a few keystrokes in the CLI. It's a skill that grows with you, empowering you to do more, faster and with total control. So let's recap what we've discovered. GUIs are the friendly faces of computing, letting anyone navigate with clicks and taps. CLIs may look old school, but they're a direct line to your machine's power. As a programmer, embracing the CLI makes you faster, more efficient, and more in control. It's a skill that separates hobbyists from pros and gives you the confidence to tackle bigger, bolder projects. Thanks for stopping by Accurate One. Keep exploring, experimenting, and pushing your tech skills further. Combining the ease of a GUI with the efficiency of a CLI will level up your abilities and help you become the kind of programmer who can handle anything. See you next time.